Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Mick Alphaning. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you could, please click that like button, turn it into a rocket, and send it straight to the moon. So, Algorand continues its domination. Algorand continues to blaze a path forward like no other. Algorand continues to do everything very well and improve on it. And that, my friends, is going to bring us millions and millions of dollars. Possibly. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I love it when some of the YouTubers do that. Like, they say that so fast. I can't talk that fast. Algorand has released an article here on algorand.com/resources. It says by Algorand. I love that. There's no particular author, by Algorand. And it is titled Algorand Virtual Machine Available. This is a game changer. Algorand is always doing something huge, something big, and this is what makes them so tempting to banks and banking systems. The efficiency, the speed, it is irresistible. The inexpensive price for moving fiat back and forth, or any currency back and forth. Algorand is becoming seemingly unstoppable. How long will it be before Algorand is unmatched? That is a question. We will see how much fire Algorand continues to have in his belly. Let's get to the article. I don't want to prolong it too much. New approach to smart contract development enables growing Algorand developer community to easily create. Remember I said, with a lot of these companies, especially Algorand, making it easier and more accessible for developers or any type of individual to utilize this particular technology, the ease is a huge part of bringing in more developers, more individuals who will build on top of Algorand, or with Algorand, so to speak. And the more we have, the more Algorand will grow, will expand. The more minds we have working with Algorand, the more innovation we will have. And more innovation means we will only be more tempting to people who want to utilize the Algorand system. And it will keep Algorand fresh and ahead of the competition. This is something the old banking system is having a problem with. There is no more innovation, and they cannot keep up with the competition, i.e. blockchain. Algorand does not have that issue. Algorand is dominating. Let's get into this article here, which was posted on June 30th, 2021. Algorand continues, wow, I was just saying this. Algorand continues to deliver innovation that is focused on performance, interoperability, and smart contracts to provide the technology required for organizations and developers to be successful in the digital economy. With today's protocol release, the Algorand Virtual Machine, AVM, improves smart contracts development and ensures developers have the functionality needed to create powerful dApps while making blockchain application development more accessible. I spoke on that, didn't I? More accessible to the wider developer community. Today's protocol update comes on the heels of Algorand's recent announcement of a new approach to smart contract development. Algorand is enabling developers to easily take advantage of the full power of the AVM by writing smart contracts in either Python or Reach, a simple JavaScript-like language. The AVM supports smart contracts with Turing-complete languages, larger program sizes, more state, has many new additional opcodes, and offers developers the ability to use functions, loops, and recursion. The protocol enhancement includes many new features that developers can now use to build popular DeFi, NFTs, Web3 dApps, and other use cases. Developers who have already written and deployed smart contracts on Algorand have interacted with earlier versions of AVM through the use of Teal and have given us feedback which allowed us to rapidly iterate and improve the AVM. So this is another thing that I appreciate about Algorand. It's going to continue to make Algorand be very, very tempting to a lot of institutions, and also is going to always help Algorand's price go up a little bit more as they listen if anyone has something substantial to say about an improvement that can be done with Algorand. They listen and they implement that improvement. They're never resting on their laurels, just what I've already done is good enough. They're never like that. And because of that, they become better and better. That is something that makes one great. And Algorand is great. And they're going to make us millions of dollars. Muy linda, mi gente. Let's continue on here. Some examples of functionalities that developers will be able to take advantage of using AVM include building an AMM that others can build on top of, sharing transaction fees, that's very good, which allows one party to pay for the transaction fees of others in atomic transfer, and versatility in maximizing blockchain storage for applications. Other important features of this launch include the capability, and get this, for mathematical operations as wide as 512 bits. Woo! Enabling applications needing high precision and easier porting of Ethereum contracts. With this AVM release, developers are propelling a larger ecosystem which interacts and communicates with other contracts, allowing for interactive smart contracts while also having clearer and more compact dApps and larger contracts. So, Algorand continues to blaze a trail. They continue to ensure us holders of Algorand that we are holding a beautiful, beautiful coin that is going to bring us a lot of profit, handsome, beautiful profit. And I hope they continue this type of innovation. I'm very happy with Algorand, what they're doing. I love their team. Kelly Callahan has done a wonderful job in marketing. And I believe she will only continue to help Algorand explode, okay? This is very, very good. So I think I'm going to check the price of Algorand right now. I might have to scoop up some more, continue dollar cost averaging. Now that you have that information, what are you going to do with it? Also, everybody, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing, all of my subscribers who have been leaving me comments. I greatly appreciate that. I try to interact with everybody as much as I can in the comment section, and I just enjoy all of your words and appreciate it. It makes doing this worth it. Thank you so much. I'm going to continue to try to bring you the most cutting edge in updates in crypto news, any type of data that I can find, and think outside the box as much as I can to search and do the detective work that I usually try to do and bring you unique news. And I'm onto a few things. And if I shear them up, if I get just a little bit more information, we're going to have some quite interesting videos coming up very soon. So now that you have that information, what are you going to do with it? Until next time, let's get to the money.